Hello, welcome to my channel. So recently I read a book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, and wishes to discuss all the possible life lessons that I got to learn from this book. The first one is, rich don't work for money. In that case, he explains that it's the poor class and the middle class that works for money. The rich people makes money work for them. So in this book, the author Robert T. Kiyosaki explains that he has two dads, rich dad and the poor dad. The rich dad is not highly educated, but the poor dad is highly educated, but still he is not able to pay his own bills properly. And the rich dad is not very much educated, but he has financial literacy. So he explains that in order to be successful, you don't need to be very smart, but you just need to be bold enough to take your decisions so that you can take the risk and take the long leap. The rich dad considers learning is very important rather than job security, but his poor dad considers that study hard, study well, get a job, and job security is very much important. But the rich dad thinks that if it's the fear of a job that people are not able to see opportunity, because the rich dad thinks that people are not able to see opportunities because you cannot see opportunities with your eyes, you can sense the opportunities with your mind, and in that case you have to be very, very conscious, and you should know you should not be loaded with money and security you're not searching for. You have to look for opportunities. Second very important lesson is financial literacy. Financial literacy is very important. According to poor dad, job security is very important. He says that you work in a 9 to 5 job, the harder you work, the more you will get money. But according to rich dad, he considers that don't work for money, make money work for you. He says that money is power, but more powerful is the financial education. Money comes and goes, but if you have the knowledge how it works, you will gain power over it and start building wealth. Very, very important point is that mind your own business. When you start working in a firm, in an organization, when you work for somebody else, according to poor dad, that is a job security, they pay you. But according to rich dad, the workers work hard enough just so that they are not fired from the organization, and the owners pay just enough that their workers don't leave the organization, don't quit. So you have to work for yourself. Financial struggle is not all about working from 9 to 5. It's about because you're working your entire life for someone else, and at the end of the day you're not having anything for you. So according to rich dad, you have to make your money work for them. The poor people, they earn, the middle class earns, then pays the taxes, and the remaining amount that is they are having with them, they only spends that amount. But when it comes to the rich class, they earn, they spend, and then they pay the taxes. At last they pay the taxes. They don't pay the taxes initially. So you have to understand that how you have to make the money work for you, and that is very important. He said that if you want to, the rich class buy luxuries from the income they are having from their assets, and assets are very important. So one of the most important point is that you have to recognize the difference between asset and liability. What is an asset? According to poor dad, home is an asset, but according to rich dad, home is not an asset. It doesn't put money in your pocket. So you have to understand the basic difference between an asset and liability. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket, and a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. So you have to consider the importance, the difference between asset and a liability. You are not able to afford something, you want to buy some luxury item, but you are not able to afford it. The rich dad, according to poor dad, but just by speaking that you cannot afford it, when you speak out, I cannot afford it, you're going to stop your brain then and there itself. You're not going to think about it. You just will start thinking that you cannot afford it. But according to rich dad, he says that don't say I cannot afford it. Instead of say how can I afford it, then your mind will start thinking about the excitement, will have dreams, and will try to find your brain will force to find a solution for it. So instead of thinking you cannot afford it, just think on how you can afford it. Hope you all liked it, and myself Vishali Priyam signing out. We'll meet you again. Thank you.